Hi everyone, Patrick Menninga here, spiritualriver.com. I want to talk to you today about naturopathic medicine and addiction and recovery from alcoholism and how that ties together. Now, what is naturopathic? Naturopathic medicine is the idea that we need to treat people holistically. So there's essentially two different approaches we could use to addiction recovery. One approach is the holistic method, which is the naturopathic method of treating the whole person, not just one aspect of them. The alternative is to zero in and to say, okay, addiction is caused due to spiritual deficiency. Therefore, we're going to focus really hard on spirituality, and that's going to fix the addiction. So those are kind of the two approaches. One is narrow, and it's singularly focused, such as with spirituality. The other approach is broad, it's holistic, it's naturopathic. One of the key principles in my belief is that we should treat addiction holistically, that we should use this more naturopathic approach that treats the whole person. Once you've done that, once you're treating the whole person and they're trying to improve their life, physically and emotionally and mentally and spiritually and physically, once they've done that work and they're doing that work, you can also start looking at sort of the underlying causes and some of the past issues. And if you look at the steps in AA or NA, they're designed to do that. They're designed to sort of dig into your past and look at some of those past issues and look at what might be causing resentments or who you need to forgive in your life in order to get some relief. And those are important issues too, but I think it's been my experience that you need both. You need to sort of do that groundwork that they lay out in AA and NA. You need to do that groundwork and dig into your past and look at some of those past issues so that you can get that relief. But you also need a positive sort of framework to move forward. And to me, that's the holistic approach. That's the naturopathic approach that allows you to focus on personal growth in all of these different areas of your life. So you can get physically healthy, you can exercise, you can work on your sleep habits, you can look at your emotional health, your emotional stability, you can look at your relationships. And so that's sort of the holistic approach, and I think that's a key moving forward. And anyone who's serious about addiction and recovery needs to look at sort of both pieces there. They need to look at doing the kind of work that you do in AA and NA and sort of digging into your past and looking at some of those past issues, but then you can also look at this holistic piece, the naturopathic piece, and move forward by looking at personal growth in all of these different areas of your life.